Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler and it's train time. Well, when I was heading down the highway there, I saw this interesting double stack. Of course, it had a piggyback and some empty cars, but there was a real interesting engine on this one and I've never seen it before. Maybe you guys have seen it and give me a little information about it in the comments below. Let's go take a look at it. Well, that was a pretty cool catch. Two foreign powered units. Of course, the first one was the BNSF, but that third one I've never seen before. I don't know if you guys have seen it. If you have, leave a comment below. But I think that said Grupo Mexico, which was pretty cool to see. Like I said, that's the first time I've ever seen that one. And I think that's going to do it. And on that note, Traveler saying, see you by the rails.